Best electric spin scrubbers. The growing demand for the best electric spin scrubbers comes from homeowners wanting faster, deeper, and more effortless cleaning. With bathrooms, kitchens, and tiles needing frequent scrubbing, people now look for tools that offer strong power, long-lasting batteries, and durable brush heads. This guide evaluates each model based on scrubber type, build quality, ergonomic layout, battery performance, versatility, and overall value, helping you choose the right tool for sparkling clean surfaces every day.
Product number 1. NBON-EBS Electric Spin Scrubber. The NBON-EBS Electric Spin Scrubber stands out for users who want power combined with convenience. It features a strong motor that maintains steady torque, making it ideal for tough grime on shower walls, floors, tubs, and grout. The extendable handle is a highlight, allowing you to reach high tiles and low corners without bending or stretching. Its multiple brush heads, including flat, corner, and dome brushes, make it a truly versatile cleaning tool. Battery performance is reliable, often offering plenty of runtime for full bathroom or kitchen cleaning sessions. The unit feels sturdy in hand, and the splash-resistant construction ensures long-term durability. While it's lightweight enough for one-handed operation, NBON-EBS didn't compromise on power. Overall, this scrubber is a fantastic choice for homeowners who want dependable performance, ergonomic comfort, and strong scrubbing action for regular deep cleaning tasks.
Product number 2. ykyi Electric Spin Scrubber. The ykyi Electric Spin Scrubber is an excellent balance of design, affordability, and functionality. It delivers impressive rotational speed, helping remove soap scum, mildew, and dirt faster than manual methods. ykyi's adjustable handle and interchangeable brush heads make it suitable for cleaning everything from sinks and stoves to bathtubs, corners, and tile grout. A key strength of this model is its lightweight build, making it ideal for extended use without arm fatigue. Its battery life typically supports long cleaning sessions, and the fast charging functionality ensures minimal downtime. The waterproof design adds extra durability, especially in bathroom environments where water exposure is constant. This scrubber is particularly appealing for users who want a reliable, easy-to-operate device without overspending. The ykyi model combines practicality and power, making it a smart pick for cleaning enthusiasts, busy families, or anyone who wants to simplify tough scrubbing chores.
Product number 3. Bombvest Electric Spin Scrubber. The Bombvest Electric Spin Scrubber is known for its strong motor performance and impressive torque, making it a go-to choice for stubborn grime. Ideal for tile floors, bathtubs, sinks, and kitchen surfaces, this scrubber includes multiple brush attachments for diverse cleaning needs. Its extendable stainless steel handle ensures wide reach, reducing the strain of bending or stretching. Bombvest emphasizes battery efficiency, and users often appreciate its long runtime, which handles multiple rooms on a single charge. The ergonomic grip feels comfortable, and the overall build quality is solid, making the unit durable enough for frequent cleaning sessions. A big advantage of this model is its quiet operation, allowing you to clean without excessive noise. For homeowners who want serious cleaning power paired with ease of use and longevity, the Bombvest Electric Spin Scrubber provides a strong value proposition.
Product number 4. ykyi Electric Spin Scrubber. The ykyi Electric Spin Scrubber is engineered for enhanced comfort and heavy-duty cleaning. Its high-speed motor provides excellent rotation, tackling soap buildup, tile stains, and kitchen grease with ease. The adjustable extension handle is perfect for reaching ceilings, corners, and high wall tiles without strain. This scrubber includes multiple brush types that allow targeted cleaning, especially the corner brush, which excels in tight spaces. The waterproof construction enhances its safety and durability, especially during bathroom cleaning. Users also appreciate its long-lasting battery, which supports long cleaning tasks without requiring frequent recharging. ykyi's design focuses heavily on stability and user-friendly controls, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced cleaners alike. If you need a reliable scrubber with strong power, long reach, and refined ergonomics, the YKYI model is a robust option worth considering.
Product number 5. Labigo Electric Spin Scrubber. The Labigo Electric Spin Scrubber is a top-tier model known for its professional-grade cleaning performance. Equipped with a powerful motor and multiple detachable brush heads, it effortlessly handles thick grime, soap stains, and grease on tiles, tubs, sinks, and floors. Its extendable steel handle allows for comfortable use in hard-to-reach areas without kneeling or stretching. One of its standout features is fast charging combined with long battery life, which gives users plenty of time for cleaning. Labigo also emphasizes silent operation, making cleaning more pleasant. The build quality feels premium and durable, especially the waterproof housing designed to withstand wet cleaning environments. This scrubber is ideal for users who want a reliable, high-performing cleaning tool that can tackle both everyday messes and deep cleaning challenges. With strong efficiency and impressive durability, the Labigo Electric Spin Scrubber offers excellent value for its performance level.